everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Here is your sneak peek video for all you patrons. We have 90 items on the sale and multiples of tons of things. So if you feel like you never get to win anything, don't worry, you're definitely going to get something this time. So let's get right to what is on the table. So we have some more of the golf sets. They are going to be $10 a piece, and we have multiple available, as you can see. The number 2 is going to be a Ralph Lauren black 3X floral top for $30. Then we have a Karen Scott 2X pair of capris with an elastic waist, $15. Then we have a Style & Company 1X blue top, $10. Then we've got some really cute Aerosoft sandals. Let's show you what they look like. These you have not even yet seen unboxed. I unboxed them today, actually, so the video's not going to go live for a couple of weeks, but these are really cute sandals I had to include. So these are $15, and they are size, what size are they? I didn't put it on my sheet. They are size 10. Size 10 women's Aerosoft sandals. Then in the back we have number 6, which is a Charter 1X white turquoise top, $20. And don't forget, I put a list of this in the patron text section.
Charter Club.
Oh, sorry, Charter Club. All right, then number 7 is a green Alfani kind of polka dot 1X top. Very, very cute. Then number 8 is a Style & Company 1X Global Retreat. Kind of almost patriotic colors, but it's got a really neat floral design on it. Then we have our medieval daggers that we love. So these are the black ones with the little cross beam, and it is an actual knife. And here, let me pull it out real fast. Just going to show you this one. So really neat. See? Use that for a letter opener. So medieval dagger, black. And so that one is $15 for that size of a medieval dagger. Then we have a Ralph Lauren shirt that has a picture of a desert on it. It is a 2X, really soft material, $30. Then we're going to wander on over to this other table. This is an Alfani. Number 11 is an Alfani 1X, kind of a really pretty green top with silver buttons. Then number 12 is a Karen Scott pair of blue pants, 1X navy blue, $15. Then we have a Bluetooth speaker, really, really nice size speaker. It actually looks a little bit like leather, but it's brand new and all of that. So it's really cool. So this is a speaker, and it is
$30.
$30, thank you, $30. Then number 14 is a faux leather jacket, 2X, $30 for that faux leather jacket. It is a Style & Company. Then we have a Karen Scott pair of blue capris, number 15, for it is a 3X, a size 3X, for $15. Then next we have, what number are we on, 17? Or 16. 16, we have another pair of Karen Scott blue pants. So these were the capris. These are the pants. They are a 2X, $15. These are 3X. These are 2X. I don't know if I mixed that up. Then we've got our famous domino boards. We've got 3 separate sets of the domino boards, $30. They were handmade by Chuck and stained in a really pretty dark stain. Then number 18 is an Alfani 4X. I call it a pop art top because of that's what it says on the tag, but it's multiple different colors, very beautiful, super flowy, very cute, $30. Then we have a Charter Club pair of white pants, 18W, $20. And then number 20 is the deer knife. It's a foldable deer knife. Oh, it is already open. There we go. One of those deer knives, and they are $10, and we have 4 of them available. Come with the case and everything. Then 21, we're going to wander back down to the other end of the table. Number 21 is a Lady Godiva pair of shoes, size 8.5. Really, really cute wedge, well, kind of a wedge sandal. 8.5, $30. Then next, we have a beautiful number 22 is a beautiful city chic pink dress, XXL/24 is what it says on the sizing. $40 for the city chic pink floral dress. Then we have a Karen Scott pair of blue capris, 1X, $15, and we actually have 2 pair of those. Then number 24 is a Karen Scott pair of tan capris. OX is the size, which is equivalent basically to an extra large. $15 for those. Then we have these awesome Eagle Claw folding knives. I think this is the one that's opened. Sorry. Eagle Claw folding knife. So that actually folds all the way out, $10, and we have multiple ones of those available. So perfect gift idea, $10 for that really cool Eagle Claw folding knife. Then we have a pair of white capris, 16W, Style & Company, $15. Then we have a pair of Alfani capris, 24W, gray in color, $20. Then we have a pair of blue capris, Style & Company, 24W is the size, $20. Then we have these really cool arrow throwing knives. They're going to be $5. I'm just going to let you look at the box right now. Is that fine?
Sure.
All right. So that comes with 3 little throwing knives, and they actually do stick into wood. They're very sharp, and they come with a little sheath that you can actually strap onto your belt. $5 a piece for those little arrow throwing knives. So that'd be kind of a fun gift idea for someone. Then number 30 is a Style & Company petite extra large blue peasant style top for $20. Then number 31 is a Karen Scott extra large turquoise sweatshirt with a cool floral design, $10. Number 32 is a Charter Club pair of white capris, 14W, $20. Then we have a pack of these multi-knives. It actually is a name brand. They're called Right Edge, and they're basically a super industrial Swiss Army knife, but even better. Look at that thing. It's got just about everything on it, and it's super awesome looking. So those are only $5 a piece. I will put that back in this bag, but I will have to pull it out of that anyway to show it tomorrow. So that's number 33. There's a bunch of them available, $5. So number 34 is a Style & Company pair of blue shorts, 10 petite, kind of a cargo style denim, $15. Then number 35, we have a Tahari, Tahari, pink dress, size 10, $40 for that beautiful pink and gold fleck dress. Number 36 is an Alfani 3X black floral top, $30 for that 3X top. And then, of course, we've got our tomahawks. Our tomahawks are amazing. We're going to open this up just to show you that awesome tomahawk. There you go, tomahawk. We've got multiple available, $30. $30 for that cool decorative tomahawk. You know somebody needs a tomahawk in their life, right? Then we have an INC petite large white top, $15. And we have a JM collection pink top, extra large, $10. Then wandering back down to the other end of the table, we have got number 40 is a Charter Club extra large white and blue top. Really cool. Then after that, we have number 41 is a Journey Collection pair of black kind of heel pumps with cute straps so that you won't break your ankle. So Journey Collection size 6 for that really cute pair of black heels. Then number 42 is a Style & Company petite large pink dress. Very cute, very comfortable fabric. Pink dress, $15 is what that is. And then number 43 is another set of knives. We're going to go ahead and open this up and show you $10 for the bear knife. For the bear knife. I feel like, Paul, you need to keep one of these when we go to Gatlinburg. Number 43. Then next we've got this really beautiful JM Collection extra large pink and black top for $20. Then we've got this Gladius dagger. Comes with its own stand. This was the one that everybody loved. We'll go ahead and take it out of its holder. So it looks just like this. Sorry. Gladius dagger withstand. See how cool that blade is? It has lots of different designs on it. And so it's basically like a letter opener, and it does come with its own black stand to put it on. So that's a Gladius dagger withstand, $20, and we bought a bunch more because you guys wanted those like hotcakes. And then number 46 is an INC 2X blue top for $15. Then we have the red and white striped top for number 47, a Ralph Lauren 2X top for $20 as well there. Then number 48, we actually have two of these. They are a Jam Collection, extra large blue top, super soft and comfy, very cute. I think it's even gathered at the sides, $20. We have two available and they are size extra large. Then we have these cool ninja throwing stars. So it's a little box for $5. Is this the open one?
I don't think so.
Okay.
It's the same throwing stars right on top of the box.
Okay, so if you look at the picture, little tiny ninja throwing stars, $10.
Comes with a little sheet.
It comes with a little holder to hold all the little ninja stars. Does it have a belt holster? Yeah, with a little belt holster. And then number 50 is a New York Collection red dress, petite large, $30. Then we have a Karen Scott pair of blue pants. OX is the size, equivalent to kind of between an extra large and a 1X. $15 for the pair of blue pants. Then number 52, we have 52? Yeah, 52, a New York Collection petite large cream striped dress there. And then number 53, you need to organize your fridge right. Fridge organizer containers, the entire box for $20. Then number 54, we have an INC blue black dress 3X for $30. It's blue and black. It's a very beautiful, very, very beautiful dress. Number 55, we have a really cool purple dress coat for $25. And then number 56, we have this really cool, very, very soft Karen Scott yellow sweatshirt. It's actually a Karen Scott Sport, so it's really breathable, very comfortable, but super cozy. Petite large, and we have two of those. Then we have this awesome pink bag. And it does come with a matching wallet, $30 for the bag and the wallet, and it does have a shoulder strap for it too as well. Charter Club white short size 16 is this number 58. Charter Club white short size 16, $20. Then we have a Jam Collection pink top, which is size large for $10. Then we have a JM Collection blue pants, extra large for $20. And then wander on back down here. Do you remember those feather knives that we had? They're kind of a stainless steel looking feather knife. Very, very awesome. $15 for these. And we do have multiple available. I think 12 we have available. Then at 62, number 62, a Style & Company pair of tan pants, size 14 for $20. Then we have an Alfani black pair of capris, 18W for $20 as well. Then number 64 is a Karen Scott blue sweatshirt, extra large, $10. Really, those Karen Scott sweatshirts are so stinking comfortable. I love them. Number 65 is a pair of white flats that kind of you can wear anywhere. You can kind of wear them anywhere. They're Forever Young brand. But the one thing I love about these is the cool gold zipper on the top. It actually does zip up and down. So that's kind of a fun, unique detail on those. Then number 66 is a JM Collection extra large pair of white capris. Then number 67, I think I said that was 67, that was 66. This one's 67, a JM Collection pair of blue capris, size large. Then number 68 is a double JU purple dress, size large, $10. Then number 69, here, let me move the sticker for a second, is a really cool makeup mirror. It's not really huge. It's perfect for any counter and doesn't take up a lot of space. $5 is all I'm asking, and I have two available. Then number 70 is a pair of Amaryllis 2X blue pants for $20. Number 71 is a Karen Scott blue polka dot pair of pants, 16W, $15 for these 16W pants. Number 72 is a beautiful floral blue top 1X for $20. Number 73, I love these. These are awesome. So these are does it just pop open like this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Look at this. It's a horseshoe knife. So this is the back side. But look it's made out of an actual horseshoe, comes with its own leather sheath to wear on your belt, but it's a horseshoe knife made out of a part of an actual horseshoe. So that is nifty. $20 for those, and we have a few available of those. And then we have these awesome grip clips for your car. I actually stole one, so we only have 2, not 3 available, but basically they mount to the back of your rear view mirror so that you can hold your phone. $10 for those. And then next we have an international concept pair of white pants, 22W, really nice dress pants, $30. Then we have number 76 is an Angelina 4-pack pair of really cool lounge pants. They are small / medium, so that's the sizing on them. $20 for all 4 pairs, and there's like burgundy and black and navy blue, so multiple different colors. I'll show you all of them. Then we have these fun mini game boards. You may not be able to afford the really big domino boards, but what about these? These are cute mini game boards, perfect for traveling. $15 for the set of 4 mini game boards. So they'll be perfect for cards or dominoes, things like that, Scrabble. All right, then number 78, we're going to show you those. You guys remember these from a couple weeks ago, right? The Farmer's Toothpick. We actually have, 24 of them available, $5 a piece because they were so popular and you guys wanted multiples. Remember, if you want multiples, you'll just have to put your name down times how many you want. Then number 79 is a Leo Rossi XXL white floral top. Really cute. Number 80, we're going to wander on back down to the other end of the table. Number 80 is a pair of white shorts, International Concepts, 16 petite for $20. Then we have this awesome Leo Rossi purple t-shirt that says Nap Queen. Nap Queen on it. I love it. $10. We actually have 3 of them available, and they're size medium, right? Size medium? Mm-hmm. Yes. Then 82, we've seen the bear, we've seen the deer, but here you go. Here is the eagle one. This is the eagle knife for $10, and we have 4 of those available.
It's called the Angry Eagle.
Angry Eagle. Whether you're angry or not, it's a cool looking knife. Then we have number 83 is a clothing pack of basically undershirts. Really, really a popular brand, $20 for this clothing pack of shirts. And then this pair of yoga pants is a Marika yoga pant, extra large, 15. It's black for $15, extra large. Then number 85 is a waterproof yellow fanny pack. So it's perfect for tubing. It rolls up, it snaps. It's a waterproof bag, $20, and these were like $60 online. So these are awesome. Then we have number 86. This is a double JU is the brand name, 1X black top for $10. Really soft material. Number 87 is a pair of Giovini jeggings, size 2XL. Color is dark blue. They're $20, and we have 2 pair of the 2XL jeggings. Number 88 is another pair of Marika purple yoga pants, purplish gray. Medium is the size for $10. Then we have another pair of Giovini black leggings, size large, $15. And last but not least, we have to include an assorted children's toy box. So hopefully you find something you like. I know there's a lot of clothes on here, but we've got the knives back. So hopefully you enjoy it, and we'll see you on the fire sale tomorrow.